I'm diving in the distance, I'm swimming in the distance, I'm trying to stay afloat against the waves of indifference. I'm drowning in the distance, the description is consistent. Whiskey on my breath cause I'm battling myself with persistence. And when I think about it, the only thing that's been consistent is my addiction. Constantly drifting through these destructive dispositions, without the will to fix it and be less dismissive. Did I miss the lesson that was supposed to teach me that life is a gift? Cause I don't feel gifted, my heart is damaged and diminished. Not just a drastic contrast from how I pictured it, I never pictured this.
Bleeding out before the bathroom door, can't see the other side.